Farm workers say they deserve to be prioritized for COVID-19 vaccines just as much as other essential workers. Most of the food that we see in Florida grocery stores is coming from their hard work in the fields. And just a few hours ago, they talked about a plan to get more farm workers vaccinated and keep that food coming to your table. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd has the story.
The goal right now is to make sure that all farm workers in Florida get vaccinated for COVID-19 by the end of May. Ag Commissioner Nikki Fried says she's working with the White House to make that happen.
That they so
During
deserve.
a virtual roundtable discussion with leaders across the state, Lupe Gonzalo with the Coalition of Immokalee Workers shared what farm workers experienced during the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. After months of waiting, eventually COVID testing and adequate hand washing stations were installed, mainly from local help and grassroots efforts. Natalia Naranjo translated for Gonzalo.
We would have never had to do that if only those people in power in Tallahassee and Naples had seen us as human beings.
Florida's Commissioner of Agriculture and Consumer Services, Nikki Fried, was also on the call, talking about the devastation a COVID outbreak could bring to the farm worker community.
It puts in jeopardy not only the health and wellness of our farm workers, but our food supply chain.
The collection of farm worker organizations and allies on the call say in 2017, Florida ranked third in the country's agricultural exports, bringing in over $4 billion, thanks primarily to their hard work. That's why Fried has turned to Tallahassee for help.
We have asked on numerous occasions to the governor to please allow for the farm workers to be considered essential for the vaccine and to be part of the first group of people to be vaccinated.
But Fried says her requests fell on deaf ears. I reached out to the governor's office to ask about his efforts to prioritize farm workers for vaccines, but I haven't gotten a response yet. So now she's turning to the Biden administration to request more supplies to get Florida farm workers fully vaccinated before they migrate for harvest season elsewhere. Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4.